The Success Principle by Chuck Canfield. So, lesson number 16 na tayo. Ayan, very few na lang. To spend more, first make more. So, syempre naman, no, kung we have to spend money based on our earnings, not on future earnings or wala pa, or through credit card, or to kung ano mang mga credit cards or loan payments. No? So, it's not the right way to be successful. So, para hindi tayo we will not be malulugmok sa mga utang. So, to spend more, first make more. So how to make money more? So, syempre, meron mga multiple streams of income. So, based on, first is, based on our talents, ano ba yung pwede natin ma-offer sa community natin, sa ministry work, sa church, sa school, sa office. So, find out what the community needs and what skills do we have so that we can match them, di ba? So, sabi nga, become an entrepreneur. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng entrepreneur? So, yun nga, yung just like as I was saying, is finding what's the need of your community and then try to fill it. No? Yung services ba yan, products, goods, find it so that you will be able to serve. Find a need and fill it. So, yung maraming inventions na nakikreate because of a need that they identified. So, chicken soup for the soul. Sabi niya originally, parang wala silang faith on their book ni Mark Victor Hansen, the first chicken book for the soul. But sabi niya, we didn't know how deep the need truly was. So, kasi di ba mga inspirational stories yan. So, nung una hindi nila ma-define or maano. But eventually, di ba, we know millions of books na ang na-sell ng Chicken Soup for the Soul. So, ito naman, number 3, think outside the box. So, marami tayong invention na na-create just because of a need and we think out of the box. So, halimbawa, the paper clip, the post-it notes, ba, yung mga nakikreate siguro, the iPad, the cellphone, di ba? The tablet, the laptop, no? So, dati, puro desktop tayo or the personal computers. So, pero now, we can bring our computers anywhere, di ba? Start a business on the internet. So, isang yan, income stream, di ba? Marami na yung mga online business. Join a network marketing company. Yan, yung mga networking. Create multiple sources of income. So, na-mention na natin kanina yan. So, kumbaga, let us not rely on mga credit cards or loan company. Kung ano yung what we earn, that's what we spend para hindi tayo maging lugmok or miserable because we have a lot of debts, diba? So, if we want something, we have to earn it first bago natin iba yung mga luxuries that we want or travels or properties or whatever tools that we need. So, work for it first before buying it and not through loans or credit cards. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.